Welcome to Saas Pro. Today we will show you exactly how to write Python code in Google Colab and guide you step by step through the process so you can start coding quickly. This video will make it simple for anyone, whether you are a beginner or just refreshing your skills. Step 1. Go to colab.research.google.com, which is the official Google platform for writing and running Python code in the cloud. It allows you to code without installing anything on your computer. Step 2. Click on New Notebook to create a new file. This opens a blank notebook where you can write and organize your Python code easily. Step 3. In the notebook, click on a code cell to start writing Python code. Code cells are the main areas where you type your instructions for the computer to execute. Step 4. Type a simple program, for example, calculating the sum of A and B. This helps you test that your setup is working and introduces you to basic Python syntax. Step 5. To run the code, click on the Run button at the top of the cell or press Ctrl+, Enter on your keyboard. Running the code tells Colab to execute the instructions you wrote. Step 6. View the output directly below the code cell. This is where you see the results of your program immediately, making it easy to test and debug your code. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more tutorials and tips.